Maverick's finally here. We've been waiting on this thing for a while. Had it ordered. Got about 40 miles on it so far, so I've got to do a little bit of driving. It's pretty good, but you know, new truck probably should be. What do you think about it so far?
So far, I like it.
Yeah.
Awesome colors. Cost, that was great.
Yeah, cost is crazy, man. You get this thing so cheap. It's actually cheap enough that you can go home and cut it up. So we plan to do a lot to it. It's going to change a ton. We're going to get pretty wild with it, but figure before we cut it up, I'll show you a little bit what's up with the truck. I see a few reviews so far, people driving it and testing it out, and people talk about how quick it is to be the 2-liter turbo and how much it can haul and all that stuff. So we're going to test that. Let's go for a ride.
All right. Oh, you're going to drive?
Oh, you think you're going to drive me? What's wrong with you?
Forgot to put your seatbelt on.
Yeah, I probably should have done that.
They probably
Pretty tight, pretty good, nice, quiet.
It is quiet.
It's kind of boring. But anyway, like we said before, it's a new truck. It's kind of expected. It should be tight and nice and handle good and all that. So instead of all this boring stuff, let's stick it in the sport mode real quick and see what happens.
Does this thing have a flux capacitor?
It wouldn't surprise me now. All right, you want to do 0 to 60?
All right, let's do it.
Hey, I have traction control off. 60. Nice little corner. Let's see what we got. That is awesome. What about the brakes?
Belts work great.
Listen to that, man. This sucker will pull. It is different to be a truck though, because you've got a unibody, so that's different. We don't have a frame under it. And then, like you said, front wheel drive. And then we've got struts on the front, so that's a little different. Let's see what it'll haul.
Okay. I've actually got something that we can haul.
You got something?
I've got something that weighs quite a bit.
Holy crap, what are we gonna have, like the first Viper swapped Ford Maverick?
Well, first you said you wanted to see how much weight it'll hold. This is close to 1,000 pounds. I figured we'll try this first. Had this laying around, so figured it'd be a good test. But now that you mention it,
yeah, I don't know about that. Unfortunately, it's for another project. When it squatted, I was waiting on it to pancake. I was waiting on the tires to flatten out, lose the whole wheel well, and then it just barely moved. And I was like, that's pretty good.
still all in one place. And it still pulls good, and we're going uphill.
Yeah, I know it. I mean, really, I don't even notice anything. Which, you know, it's not a ton of weight, but it's a small truck.
It's not sloppy side to side either.
No.
With that much weight in the back of it, I figured it'd be tilting all over the place.
I was concerned. I figured we'd go down the road and it would feel like we had no suspension left.
Right.
Like it was bottomed out, but it's riding just like it was before. So
yeah.
Okay.
If you didn't look back there, you wouldn't know it was even there.
I'd say so far it's passed all the tests. 0 to 60 is pretty good. Actually cornered even better than I thought it would, and it can haul some stuff. So
can't go wrong for the price.
No, too bad we're gonna cut it all up. So basically, the plan for this truck: 90s rendition mini truck. Super bright colors, graphics all over the
Great
place.
Colors on it.
Man, yeah. And we're gonna BASF paint for that. Always good. And then we're gonna put it on air, try to get it as low as we can. Half-inch valves.
On the ground.
Yeah.
On the ground.
Hopefully
Scraping.
5H line.
We're gonna see some sparks.
Hell yeah. And then, if we can do what we're thinking with the capacity of air we're gonna run, should be able to hop this thing, dance it, do all that crazy stuff we used to do, so it'll be a lot of fun, but struts are going to be a little bit of an issue, I believe.
I believe we can probably handle it.
Yeah, so maybe build an upper control arm, get rid of the struts altogether, and maybe we'll have to get it on the lift and look at that if I can get out of here. Then we've got MTX. We're going to do a sound system with them. Going to do a cab cut, 612s,
We are
4
going back
amps.
to the 90s, huh?
Man, no doubt. So the way you're hard of hearing, it's going to make my ears bleed and be perfect for you.